My name is Tori, and I'm going to be showing you a day in the life of a Monmouth College student. And so me and Courtney just left our house. This is where we live, in the sorority house. Bye, Courtney.
Bye.
She's off to her first class of the day, and I'm off to my first class. I'm a sophomore here at Monmouth. I work in the admissions office. I'm also a psychology major with an investigative forensics minor. Hey, look, it's Danny.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Check your Fitbit. Check your Apple Watch.
Right now.
Ooh, good luck in your midterm.
Have fun.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello.
So this is my Psych 202 class. This is one of our lecture classrooms. So got some nice seating. We're here kind of early. This is my friend Connor.
Hello.
And we sit next to each other right here. So we're gonna get ready for class, and I will see you when it's done. We got our papers back.
We are?
I did great. Yeah, I didn't do. Listen to rap, 1/3 country and 1/3 pop. But if this was a within subjects design, every person would. That's what's kind of nice about Monmouth is there's nice breaks between classes, so you can just find people that you know and just sit down and work on homework or talk or chat. So that's what we're doing. All right, and there's Ian.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. It's about 2 hours later. I've been studying for the past hour in the CSB, and now we are heading over to lunch to grab a little sandwich. I have class in 30 minutes, so I'm zooming. We're walking. I don't know.
Hey. Welcome to Monmouth College, where we make you the best sandwiches that you will ever imagine.
Okay. Do you want chips, shake, fruit, or water?
Can I get salt and vinegar chips, please?
Can we just be like,
Yeah. And they can edit up, thank you. I feel like a vlogger. It's really fun. Okay, so now we are getting the mail. So these are our cute little mailboxes. And it looks like I have a package. Okay, so the camera stopped for some reason, but we're still on our way to Spanish. I'm running, let's see, trying to check my time. Late. So, we're zooming. Hola. This is my friend Cheyenne. Hello. Yeah, now we're in Spanish. Hola. Hola. I thought I'd do it. So we have an exam in this class tomorrow. So we're gonna. Adios mio. So we're gonna study for that. Bye. Adios. Hi guys. We're back in the car. We did some shopping for the event coming up. All the baskets. They're for raffle baskets. We got some McDonald's for dinner. You know, college student way. And yeah, we're just heading back to campus. All right. So we just finished dinner. And we're walking over to the CSB right now to work on some homework. You can see the really pretty sunset. Bye, Grant. You can see, get out of my video, Keegan. You can see the really pretty sunset happening. So yeah, we are on our way to CSB to work on some homework, and then after that we have dance practice for Z-Man. So oh, here's a really pretty shot of the sunset. I don't know if you can really see it.
Roll Scots.
Roll Scots, baby. Yeah, campus is so beautiful, especially this time of year. We love it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, here we go. Woo woo! And those are our Z-Men.
We love you, St.
It's about 10:30 right now, so quick little update. I am currently working on a project that's due tomorrow morning, so that's kind of where we're at. All right, hey guys, it's just about a little after 1 a.m. and I'm heading to bed. So thanks for following me today. I had a blast. It was a lot of fun, and thanks for checking out Monmouth. Bye guys.